We'll guide you through how to make small text in Discord. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to learn simple text formatting features in Discord to make their messages look different. Using small text can help users create unique messages, add style, or highlight differences in chat. This tutorial shows how to apply the format correctly and understand how it appears. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. After the browser opens, click the search field at the top of the window. Type Discord into the search field. When the search results appear, choose the official website of Discord. After that, click Login on the main page. Enter your email in the required field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Then click the Login button to access your account. After logging in, verify your account if required by following the instructions shown on the screen. Once your account is successfully opened, find the server you want from the list of servers on the left side of the screen. After you find the server, click the server to open it. Inside the server, choose the chat channel you want to use. Then click the chat field at the bottom of the screen to start typing your message. In the chat field, type a minus symbol first. After typing the minus symbol, type a hashtag directly after it. Then enter the text you want to send after the symbols. Make sure you type the text clearly so it appears correctly. After you finish typing your message, press enter on your keyboard to send it. Once you press enter, the text will automatically appear in a smaller format in the chat. This small text will be visible to other users in the channel. After sending the small text, you can also type other text in the chat field for comparison. Type a normal message without using the minus symbol and hashtag. Then press enter again to send the normal message. This will allow you to see the difference between the small text and regular text in the chat. The first message will appear smaller because it uses the specific format, while the second message will appear in the default size. This completes the process of creating small text in Discord chat using simple formatting steps.